Hey everyone, today I want to show you a feature that's perfect for turning everyday presentations into videos, PPT to video. If you have PPT or PDF and need a video fast, this is for you. Let's get started. Head over to JoggAI. Once you're inside, find the PPT to video section. Next, upload your slides. You can use either a PPT or a PDF. Now, let's talk about layout. This is where you decide how your avatar shows up in the video. You can place the avatar wherever you like, or skip it completely by choosing the No Avatar layout. Once the layout is set, it's time to work on your script. You have 3 options here. First, manual input. This option is perfect if you already have a script in mind. You can type in your narration slide by slide and stay fully in control of the wording. Next is the AI script generator. This feature automatically creates a script based on the content of your PPT. Then there's Use Speaker Notes. If your PPT already includes speaker notes, the avatar will simply read them out loud. Now let's try the AI script generator. Once you select it, click Import PPT. This is the editor view where you can review the generated script. If anything needs tweaking, simply edit the text and move on. While you're on the editing page, you can also fine-tune your avatar. And layout. If you change your mind about using an avatar or want to adjust its position, you can do that right here. You can also add text overlays directly onto your slides, which is perfect for highlighting key points or important information. Want to add a bit more personality? Choose a sticker, set exactly when it appears, and you're good to go. You can even bring in extra images or video clips to make your slides more dynamic and engaging. On top of that, you can fully customize subtitles, edit the text, change fonts and styles, or remove them altogether. You can also add background music by uploading your own track or choosing from our curated music library. All of this saves you hours of work. No more juggling slides, scripts, and visuals separately. Everything flows together in one place, with full control over every detail. Ready to give it a try? Head over to JoggAI and let's turn those slides into something amazing.